Local news for Tuesday the 30th of April. Two separate vehicle crashes yesterday knocked out power. The first, a logging truck tipped over near J&L, while later that evening a vehicle hit a power pole in Lansdowne, cutting power to a large number of residents. 8 young plumbers will tonight compete at Plumbing World in the local round of the Young Plumber of the Year. The winner will go on to the regional finals in Palmerston North in a couple of months. Nathan Oakley from N&T Plumbing won the local event last year. A boil water notice remains in force in Martinborough. The notice, issued on the 9th of April for the town water supply, was the second to be issued this year. Last Wednesday, the council approved temporary chlorination of the Martinborough town supply. And in sport, Wairarapa United's women picked up a 3-2 win on the weekend against Wellington United, while the men drew 4-4. And in hockey, Dalefield men are top of the table after a 3-0 win over Indians, and the women a 5-0 win over Toa sees them sitting in third.